3 amazing solopreneur success stories. Whenever you are first starting out, it can be really discouraging whenever it seems your hard work isn't getting you much recognition. Learning about successful solopreneurs can help you get the motivation you need to keep going and keep working towards your dreams. Let's go ahead and learn about 3 solopreneurs who put in the hard work and have made it. 1. Alan Walton. Alan Walton, according to himself, was a high school failure with a GPA of just 2.9. After that, he worked at a camera store for a little over minimum wage. It wasn't until he got the idea to become a solopreneur that he became successful. Alan's solopreneur business included a spy camera website. His website became so popular, in fact, that he eventually transformed from a solopreneur to a full-fledged business person, complete with hired help and all. Now almost 27, he is on track to making 7 figures. What really makes Alan's story stand out is that he wasn't necessarily spectacular. Instead, he was just a regular guy with a regular talent. With a special niche and a lot of hard work, however, he grew an incredibly successful solopreneur business. 2. Mark Antistasy. Some people have some real rags to riches stories because of their solopreneur business. Mark Antistasy is just one of these stories. Before he started his own business, he was $12,000 in debt, unemployed, and homeless. Today, the script is completely flipped, and Mark makes nearly $10,000 a month with almost no effort. His solopreneur business started when he got a mentor who helped him market himself. From there, Mark wrote helpful ebooks and websites all about making money online. By using Google AdWords relentlessly, he was able to market his book at a really high price. Much like Alan's story, Mark's story tells you that you don't need anything to run a successful solopreneur business. All you need is a lot of ambition and effort. As long as you don't give up and find helpful mentors and peers along the way, you too can have a rag to riches success story. 3. Spencer Koppel. Finally, the last successful solopreneur story on our list is that of Spencer Koppel. Spencer is a little different from our top 2 stories in that he had a traditional 9-to-5 job. He didn't start his solopreneur journey until after he was retired. His solopreneur business is all about helping geeks like himself find love. His matchmaking service serves nearly 60,000 members just after 5 years of work. Since Spencer does all the work himself, he gains incredibly high profits, allowing himself to make 6 figures a year. Spencer's story is completely unique in that he started a successful solopreneur business after retirement. He is living proof that you can take control of your finances and start a passion solopreneur project no matter how old you are. Final thoughts. These amazing solopreneur stories show you that transforming your solopreneur business into a lucrative money-making operation is fully possible. Whether you're a high school dropout or retiree, you can be a successful solopreneur story yourself with a little bit of effort and ambition.